Hi everyone, so this is my new Insta360 X3. The reason for buying this is one of the major game changers when it comes to vloggers videos. So that's the reason for me, and not just that. So I don't want my viewers to get bored with the same views. So that's the reason I just wanted explore a few more views. That's the reason for me to buy this. So let's explore this by unboxing. There's a brand new unsealed Insta360 which I've just unsealed it from this. So look at the codes, look at the barcodes. So this is how an original Insta360 would look, which is unsealed. And this is the cost, price, so the dimensions, everything is mentioned over here. So I got it on an offer on Amazon, and that's the reason I got it for a lesser. Okay. It's so difficult to open because it's machine molded. Look at this. So these are the major activities that can be done with Insta360. Let's have a look. Let's see how delicate it is. Alright, look at this. Ready? Go for the slow. So we have just got the camera, and let's also look what's there inside this. So we have to explore. Let's check the camera first. So look at this. The camera weighs somewhere very close to 200 grams, I would say. It's as equivalent to a GoPro's weight. And the lens, you've got double side lenses which you can see. Just have a look at this. So you have single lens, and then you have double lens. So when you, so that is how they say it is 72 megapixels camera. So one side they say it is roughly around 36. So 36 megapixels. So you can use it for vlogging. So this is the display, which is hardly 2 inches, 2.5 inches as a length. So this is pretty decent. It's better than the X2. And you've got the hub over here where you can fix it with the invisible stick. Invisible sticks comes with probably 120 centimeters. So this should be roughly around twice the length of the two hands that I'm holding right now. Or it should be not just twice, it should be at least 4 times is what I'm thinking. Now let me also explain about the memory. So it supports 512 GB. Is what I've heard. So if you're using 1 tera, it might hang depending on the processor, but then we haven't heard any such instances. But I would suggest you to go ahead with very normal stuff, which is 256 GB memory card or 512 GB memory card. Now let us have a check about what's exactly there inside the box apart from the camera. Now let's go ahead. So there, it seems like you will have a box inside, and look at this box. You have some chargers, you have some pouch for it. Oh lovely. So you have some guide and whatnot. So you have some stickers as well, so you can stick this on your vehicle or on your helmet. So this is the cloth where you're supposed to wipe the lenses. So look at this one. This is that silky cloth, which is like the satin cloth they call it, and it's smoother than the ones which we use it for our optical lenses or optical glasses. So it's better than that, I would say. The quality is really amazing. So look at the quality. Now let's look at the quality of the pouch. Aha, it's very nice. So if you're buying it separately, the pouch itself would cost you close to 1,000 or 2. So you can fix the camera inside just in case if you would like to, if you're not shooting and if you would like to, just like a pocket 360 camera, so that's the reason they've given such a punch, that it's going to be safe. Even if it's going to fall, nothing would happen in the I mean, if you have some keys in your pocket, and it doesn't impact the lenses. So that is how it is. And let's have a look if there's something else apart from this. I don't think you have a charger as such. Have a look at this. So this is the charger cable. So you can use your mobile charger, which is a C type. Look at this. So this is the quality. So it's pretty much similar to the Xiaomi phone's quality. That is, I'm talking about the cable. Yeah, so you will be able to use them as well. So it's not a big hurdle like an iPhone where you have to use the same charger or same charger cable. So you should be able to use the the C-type, any sort of a C-type cable as well. So this fits it. And let me show you how the battery looks. That is, a battery would be included with the camera. So it's not an additional charge. Let me also let you know how the battery is. So the battery comes with 1800 mAh. So I'm also going to show you all how to remove the battery so that you can insert the memory card. So you should be able to see a label on the battery panel, and you have to mark over here 1 and 2. Alright, all you need to do is just click on that and press it inwards like this, so that the battery comes up. It pops up like this, and then you will be able to take the battery out like this. So this is 1800 mAh. So compared to last X2, this is more powerful. That is 1600, and this is 1800. And the battery backup comes up to 1 hour of footage. Look at this. This is a slot, and every time that you insert it, or when you're doing some adventure activities like surfing or even underwater shoots, what you have to do is you have to make sure that there's no water inside this panel, not even a pinch, not even some vapor inside it. Try and make sure that it's completely dry, and then insert this way. So this has to be this way. So it says upwards. See, the indication is over here, and then using the indication you have to just press it like this, just press it on. However, you have to press this again so that the buttons would go inside, and then you can press it. That's it. So that it's locked firmly, so that there's absolutely zero contact with the water or something outside. Then it is ready for the shoot, and here we go. So you have the invisible sticks hub. So here as well, you have to be very careful with the thread. In case if there is a loose thread, there is a very good chance of losing it. And now I'm going to switch this on. So look at the lights. It's going to have a light popping up. So it's going to ask you to select the language. Just select English and click on next. It says language again. So it's just it's asking for different modes. Please download the Insta360 application in the App Store is what it says. If you're having a smartphone, nothing like it, just go ahead and download the application. So once you download it is when it's going to work. So we don't have a memory card is what it shows, because I have not inserted the memory card, and it shows the mode. So it is on 5.7K 30 frames right now. And so look at this. So this is how it's going to work. Whenever you're placing this, you have to actually use different modes for the same. So front camera and the rear camera. So if you're using any one of those, you can let the camera know about it, and then accordingly you can switch it over. So right now it's on the dual camera mode, where it's shooting 360 views right now. So this is one added advantage of buying X3. So So X2 would cost you close to 35,000. So another 10,000 would give you X3. So I'm really happy about this. And we have a lot of modes and a lot of other features when you compare it with GoPro. One disadvantage with this is it overheats faster than a GoPro. So that's one disadvantage. You cannot do a fully fledged shoot for an hour or so. And also in India, being a tropical climate conditions, this heats up faster than we think. So what I did was I did not place an order for a bundle pack. For a bundle pack, you should be able to get a charger hub, a charger cable, a pouch, and a memory card, and an external battery. So and also a battery charger. But what I've done is I've done a separate, a research. So I've just got to know that if you're buying everything separately, like for example, I've got the memory card separately and the camera separately. So if you buy separately is when you save a lot. So a bundle would cost you close to 57,000, but then the camera alone would cost you close to 45,000, and including your credit card offers and all of that, this would cost you just 40,000. And memory card would cost you around 1,000 rupees. Then the invisible stick, which is 120 centimeters, would cost you around 2,000 rupees. So all together, put together, it should come up to just 45,000 to 46,000, not more than that. But if you're going with a bundle, I think you'll be shelling out more than 10,000 rupees extra from your pocket. So this is a good deal as well if you're doing this. But whereas it's completely different from GoPro, when you're purchasing a GoPro, it's different. Because when you're going with a bundle for GoPro, you really get good offers, and overseas, that is in American cities, it's available for an affordable price, which is just 50% from the Indian market. But whereas Insta360, everywhere across the globe, it's not at all different. Everywhere it is the same price. So it's pretty much like 3,000 or 2,000 rupees difference when it comes to different markets. I hope you enjoyed my review and the explanation about the features of Insta360. But future, I would let you know how this is going to function as well. But if you really like this video, please do subscribe and also click the like button, and also share it with all of your friends.